Before you buy land for your custom home in Austin, there are 20 things that can make or break your entire project before you even pour a foundation. From zoning traps to hidden utility costs and even the soil beneath your feet. Most people miss at least half of these. So let's make sure you're not one of them. Every great custom home starts long before design meetings, selecting tile, or sketching floor plans. It begins with the land, and in a city like Austin, the lot you choose can determine everything, from your build time to your budget, or whether your dream home is even possible. I'm walking you through the 20 most important things to know before buying a lot in Austin. This is the exact checklist we use at Rivendale Homes when evaluating land for our clients. Whether you're a first-time custom homeowner or an investor looking for your next project, this guide will help you avoid costly mistakes and buy with confidence. Let's start with the obvious, location. In Austin, location doesn't just determine commute time. It shapes property value, school options, and community feel. Visit the lot morning, afternoon, and night. Traffic patterns, noise, and neighborhood energy all can change throughout the day. 2. Zoning rules. Austin zoning dictates what you can build, where you can build it, and how big it can be. Setbacks, building height, floor area ratio, and impervious cover limits, all of these impact design. And if you're in Central Austin, the McMansion Ordinance likely applies. 3. Neighborhood planning areas. Some areas have additional rules called neighborhood planning areas. These can regulate garage placement, scale, or even how your facade looks. Sometimes neighborhood planning area requirements conflict with zoning, which means design revisions, delays, or denials. 4. Tree regulations. In Austin, a tree with a 19-inch trunk or larger is considered protected. That means setbacks, design adjustments, or full redesign if the tree sits where your home needs to go and you didn't think about that when you started designing the home. 5. Deed restrictions. Deed restrictions are private rules tied to your property. These can require certain materials, limit home height, or mandate detached garages. And yes, they can override city allowances. Always review them with your builder and with your attorney. 6. Neighborhood context and community. Before you buy, walk the block. See how the homes are maintained, how new builds fit in, and whether yours will blend in or stand out. A stunning home in the wrong context can still feel out of place. 7. Electric service capacity. Modern homes need more power. Older neighborhoods may require transformer upgrades or new service drops, and sometimes you have to pay for that. 8. Water and sewer conditions. Don't assume water and sewer is ready to go, even if there was already a house on the property. New taps, trenching, or meter upgrades can cost thousands. Always verify utility capacity before you buy. 9. Floodplain information. If the lot touches a 100-year or 500-year floodplain, it can change everything, from foundation design, finished floor height, to insurance and overall feasibility. 10. Erosion hazard zones. Erosion hazard zone lots require additional engineering and can significantly increase build time and cost. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something you have to budget for. 11. Soil conditions. Austin soil can vary wildly. Expansive clay can shift, limestone may need blasting. A geotechnical report is essential and directly influences your foundation cost and design. 12. Drainage. Poor drainage leads to foundation issues and erosion. If possible, visit after a rain. Nature will show you exactly where the water wants to go. 13. Easements and encumbrances. Utility easements, drainage easements, shared access paths, all can limit your buildable area. Always review your survey and title commitment with an attorney. 14. Overhead power line clearances. Power lines may restrict roof height or where you can build. Relocating or burying lines takes time and money. 15. Views. Think about what your future windows will look out onto, positive and negative. Smart window orientation increases livability and resale value. 16. Construction costs. Lot conditions, slope, utilities, tree preservation, they all affect your budget, and so do your finish choices. Establishing a complete budget early avoids surprises later. 17. Project timeline. Permitting can take 3 to 6 months. Construction typically takes 9 to 18 months. Add time for utilities or zoning adjustments. 18. Latent site conditions. Some issues don't show up until later. Buried debris, old retaining walls, invasive plants. Thorough due diligence helps catch these early. 19. Historic districts. In historic overlay districts, Demolitions and exterior changes may require approval, or they may be denied. Always check before purchasing a teardown. 20. Price of the land. As a rule of thumb, your land should be about 25 to 40% of your total finished home value. If you overspend on the lot, that can limit what you can put into the home. At Rivendale Homes, we know buying land is one of the most important and complex steps in building a custom home. That's why we offer a free site consultation. We'll walk the property with you, review constraints, analyze challenges, and help you make the right decision from day one. Want help evaluating a lot or planning your next custom home? Visit our website or follow us at RivendaleHomesTexas.com for more builds, insights, and inspiration. And remember, great homes start with the land. We'll see you on the next video.